Hello, everyone. Welcome to this new YouTube series of weekly income strategies from Hexaram. We will be posting a short video with weekly income strategies to generate consistent income on a weekly basis. The videos will be available every Friday. These trades are primarily focused on generating regular income with almost no or very minimum intervention. And all these strategies will be based on options. These trades are for educational purpose only. Please understand the risks in these trades. So let's go directly to a trade that we have taken this Friday, the 1st of October. Right. So Nifty over the last 1 week has been retracing from the all-time high, right? Yeah, from the all-time high of 17,955, and there has been an erstwhile resistance which has been a support now, roughly around the 17,400, 17, I would say something, yeah, 17,350 region, right? So these two are kind of the support and resistance that we are looking for this week. Probably even further down if we consider all the wicks in here. So we'd be around 17,250 to 17,950, right? So based on this, we have taken a weekly income trade, which would be an iron butterfly. So the Nifty opened today at around 17,500. And we have created a 9 butterfly at 17,500. So this is the quick trade. The trade roughly costs about 75,000, sorry, 45,000 per lot. We have taken 4 lots. At the 17,500, we have sold the P and C for roughly around at an average price of 155. And we have hedged the trade 200 points up at 17,700 for 60 rupees premium, and below we have taken a little bit more leeway because there was a significant gap today with the gap down opening. So we're not expecting another big move down, but yeah, let's see how it pans out next week. So yeah, 17,200 is the lower hedge, and the maximum points that we can gain in this will be roughly around 313 minus 120, so that would be roughly around 200 points. So 200 would be 50, so we might gain about 10,000 per lot. That's the maximum. Obviously we might not get the maximum amount, but that is if Nifty expires next week on 17,500, we might get 10,000. So yeah, that's a quick trade that we have taken. We will be posting more such trades every week. So this week we are not expecting anything directionally very heavy movement, and even if there is any heavy movement, the premiums are at all-time highs, so we don't want to take any trades where in a naked manner where we might lose more money. So the idea is to try and focus on trades which are passive in nature and gives us regular income on a weekly basis. So we'll stick to that concept and see how this trade goes. So that's it about for this week. Thank you very much, everyone, for listening in. I'll talk to you again next week with the status of this trade and a new trade for the next week. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.